Hello good friends, and welcome to a very cool spot here in Chalkidiki in Greece. And I think it's a really nice spot here to do some nice FPV shots. I'm not sure how that going to work. It's a little bit windy, so I don't recommend to do this at home. So the boys are here, everything is set up and ready to go. It should be fine. There's not a lot of people around, and let's explore Halkidiki, see what we find. Wow, okay, I think the biggest challenge is to find a nice spot to put my camera and start setting up the gear. And my lord, everything is very close to the water. I'm about 5 meters high, so if I drop anything in the water, it's gone forever. All right, so controller is ready. Let's put this little baby on. Yep, it's ready. Let's put our goggles on. It's a lot of work, huh? Don't forget to like and subscribe, huh? I'm not doing this for nothing, I hope. Controller on, goggles on, and let's explore. Antennas up. Wow, this is so fucking beautiful. All right, 13 megapps signal. I'm gonna set my return to home altitude 150 meters. And I think we're ready to go. All right, start recording on normal mode. Wow, this is looking gorgeous. Let's make sure this guy is on the right spot. Let's close this thing because we don't want our batteries to get warm up. This is where I put my camera, guys, if you can see. And this is where I'm standing, and I'm gonna stand up. It's very awkward stand up. It's very, very high, as you can see. Shit, I'm gonna fucking fall. So guys, let's explore. I love this. Yeah. Yes. This is beautiful Greek blue waters in green. All right, the first thing, of course, no sports mode. Let's explore the area. Let's see what we have here. So where is me? This is me here. Do I have a home setting on? I do not, I think, but I'm pretty confident I know where I'm going. All right, so let's see the area. I don't think it's any scary part. Let's start going towards this area. Let's go a little bit higher. We don't want to disturb people, so fly always above 40 meters, 50 meters before we start doing any weird shit. So let's go here where there's no people and let's explore. Look at that beautiful waters. Yeah, make sure you're not going to touch something. So it's very important. Whoa. And I have a very good spot here, so that means I'm probably gonna oh, I do not have a good signal already, if you can see it. That's very weird. Did not see that coming so fast. Why? And then, yeah, this is probably it. This is the trees here. So you can see that you can really lose signal very fast sometimes. Wow, look at this. Wow. Beautiful. So if I go too low, there's a lot of rocks. Signal is immediately gone. All right, and of course we don't want to lose our drone in the water because then it's the end of this channel. All right, let's go sports mode so we can go a bit faster and let's start exploring this area here. Just stay away from the cables, very important. This is the road I came from. So let's, yeah, now then we don't have signal. Immediately we lose our signal. And it's very important and it's very nice and educational, I think, no manual yet, to see how fast you can lose your signal if you go behind rocks and stuff like that. So if you go behind rocks in this kind of areas, it's very easy to lose your signal. So I think it's better if you stay out of it. And I'll just go this way, I guess. Let's take a nice shot from our bar. I'm having a coffee down there and it looks gorgeous. All right, let's see. And here now we can, I guess, comfortably explore some areas. Let's see how far we can go that way before we lose our signal. Wow, look at that. We're going pretty good here. All right. That's very nice. Finally, some nice areas which I can fly far, far away. All right, so signal is getting weak slowly. So let's go high. Wow, look at that. Holy shit, I got a little bit dizzy here. It's beautiful. All right, let's go back. Let's go lower a little bit. The signal is not the best sometimes. All right, let's go up. Signal is red. That's not good news. Super weird. Still the signal is horrible. I think it's because of the wind. So now it's if you feel like you're lacking out of signal, I say immediately try to fly over, I don't know, some area that is not very rocky, waterish, so you don't have water. And immediately I see my battery going down super fast. My signal is horrible. I don't know what's happening actually. I'm very close to here where I am. But yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's very weird. It is the wind. Here is me. So I don't know why it's an asshole. So you see some really cool guys here, divers. They're jumping. And you can see the cliff that I talked about. Let's go have a look from there. And always when I'm flying over the water, I'm a little bit stressed. And look at this guy here going. Hell you go, bro. Good for you. And then we can jump from this place, I think, later. Let me know in the comments if you want to do that. Let's check this guy out. He doesn't know we're watching. Fuck this guy. Let's go. You are my subject now, sir. You are my star. All right, so the wind is changing direction, so I will follow the wind. And let's go do some low shots close to the water. Holy crap, I'm getting stressed immediately. If you feel like it's not going well, immediately go up. It's very windy, the signal is horrible. I don't know why though. I need to really check my goggles. Wow, this is horrible, honestly. How is this even possible? How the signal is so bad? I would expect that me being here and in this area, I would expect the signal is actually perfect. But it's horrible. Anyway, let's go here. Let's see if we can find a nice spot for our friends. Make a nice picture. Check some nice boobs maybe, I don't know. Awesome. Some people complaining, I can hear them complaining that I'm flying too low. I can hear them already. Guys, stop being a bitch. It's all good. So what? No, I mean respect the rules. Don't fly too low and shit like that. Hey, hello, that's me. There's a guy here with his. He's my new star. Yeah, there he is. Look at this guy. Always try to find a spot when you are the opposite side of the sun. And wow, look at this places here. Yeah, I don't want to go too close. Every time I go close to the rocks, my signal is immediately obliterated. But some cool stuff is like, look at this kind of stuff. So I would love to go in manual mode now and do some fancy shit, but I'm not going to. Look at this guy here. Look at this loser on a rock with his phone and his set. This is unbelievable. Go get a job, sir. All right, let's go high. This is my favorite thing in the world. Look at that shit. A little bit focus on the, oh wow. 100 meters. Wow, we're like 40% battery. And this is the area. So we are 40% battery here. I do want to go on a nice manual mode. Let's go in manual. Fuck it. What's the worst that can happen, right? How much battery? 39%. Yeah, it's not enough battery. It's too windy. Immediately I just go back to sport. It's too windy up here. And yeah, my battery is too low at the moment, so I'll just pass. So if you go around 30% battery, you always know it's time to go back. It's time to return home. Just have a few last shots. Yeah, look at that. My signal is shit immediately. I will make a nice clip in the end of this video and clip the best shots together. So yeah, I think it's time now to just park this baby here. Let's park it here somewhere. All right, pose it. Oh, sorry. Pose it. And that's it. You just flip it around and that is it. Yeah, well, to be honest, I'm a bit slightly disappointed. I mean, like, you should never be disappointed when you fly in a drone, right? We are privileged to enjoy this unique sensation of flying over shit. But yeah, the signal is really not doing its job today. I'm not very happy about it, but again, it is what it is. We explored the suntan area on Halkidiki here. If you are the owner of this place, I'm sorry I flew a little bit closer than I should have. I hope you can guys forgive me and not ban me from your domain. Yeah, very cool flight. I'm coming with more exploration videos. So if you like this concept, if you like to explore with me areas and all, I'm not some crazy FPV pilot yet. We'll get there eventually. You know it. I know it. And yeah, sorry that you had to see my nipples as well, but I take my summer seriously because I'm Greek. Yeah. Oh shit. Be careful how you place your stuff. I almost broke my camera. All right, back in. This is so cool, man. This is something I love the most about this fucking set, and I'm done. That's it. Now I just grab my phone, say bye to my friends, and these are you guys. So that was it. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments what do you think. I'm gonna keep flying around for the rest of the month here in Greece and exploring areas and places, and I'll do that with you guys together. I have a feeling that this is a very, very fun concept because I really enjoyed it while I was doing it. And yeah, keep up, follow, subscribe, and drop some comments. Your love is everything, and your support. Without this, I'm just talking to myself, so I hope I'm not, which I actually am talking to myself. There's nobody else here. But I'll see you in the next video.